Alright, so this is post creating the 22 steam boilers that I actually needed. I set it all up down here. It's basically a tower. It's a tower of four. Um, each cardinal direction. Then a tower two right here, and I hooked it up to these black universal pipes. Those black universal pipes can handle items and fluids at the same time or whatever. So one of them is attached to the aqueous accumulator. The other one's attached down here to a super chest. The super chest is where I put all my burnable items that I want to send to all of these different steam boilers. And the aqueous accumulator, I have a filter inside of there, a diamond filter to basically send the water round robin. Round robin means that it's going to evenly distribute all the water between all of these steam boilers. Same thing down here with the super chest. It has a diamond filter in it. Set the round robin to evenly distribute all the charcoal or coal or whatever I'm going to put in there to all the steam boilers equally. And then out of that, I have these blue fluid pipes, and that's being routed all the way across the top of this down here into the steam tank. Right now I have all the valves open, and I have the valve open for this, and you can see all of them running. They're all running periodically. They're not running consistently like this one, but it's still a good sign because this is actually backing up. I'm producing more steam than I can actually process in the steam turbines. So that's a good sign. So when I close this valve and allow this to fully fill up, then I shouldn't have an issue. Other thing is, I think these fluid pipes might be a little slow, so I might replace these and just attach the regular blue fluid pipes to all the steam turbines and see if that actually works. Actually, let's close the valve because I want to test that out. Um, where's my? Here it is. I'm just gonna pull one out for right now and attach the blue fluid pipe. Hopefully it connect, and it does not connect at all. So that's not gonna be usable. I have to pull. I have to put a straight fluid pipe from here. And it's still not filling up, but it is faster than the regular pipes. And this is still filling up with steam. So this is not even able to keep up. It's the actual steam. It's the actual turbine itself. It is moving a little bit faster though. But for now, I think I'm gonna just keep the regular pipes. It's fine. I can also speed my system up. I know I got a speed controller in here somewhere. Oh no, the speed controller's down there. What is it set to? Oh, it's set to max already. So that's the fastest that I can actually push steam through here. Maybe I might attach a Greg Tech fluid pipe that might be a little bit faster. Hopefully that'll connect. That's the next thing I'm probably gonna test. I'll make a couple of fluid pipes or whatever. And you need the robot arms and the conveyors and all that to make it actually work. But I already got all of that, so I'm probably gonna attach that and see how fast I can pump steam into these turbines so they can run consistently. And if anything, I might just rip out this entire line to do that. So first of all, I'm gonna see if it can attach to this, and then I might just Matter of fact, I just gonna rip the line out because it doesn't make any sense to have the line. The Mazda just Yeah, so that's gonna be the next little thing I do or whatever. Let me see some. I think I was using bronze before. These are all the different fluid pipes they have. Yeah, this is a quadruple bronze fluid pipe, 40 millibuckets per tick on 4 channels. That's just divided. That's so I can send multiple fluids to multiple places. This is 480 millibuckets per tick. I'm probably gonna use something like this. All right, let's favorite that real quick. And this is just nothing but double bronze. I could easily make that. There's also the brass ones. Where's the brass ones at? And chromium is 840 millibuckets. I need something that's gonna transfer at least one bucket that I can make. Aluminum I don't have right now, so I can't do it. I have to actually look through the list. But this is not bad. This is a half a bucket per tick. I really want a whole bucket per tick, as much as I can get. So I'm gonna look into that and then get back.